Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to brief you about the experience of changing the steel rims, the tires, the lug nuts and the center caps. So in October 2021, we decided to bring the Zen from Madurai to Chennai. And before we did that, we wanted to change the tires completely. And I found out an MRF showroom in Madurai. And they looked at the condition of the existing rims and said this is rusted beyond any good condition. And we'll not be able to put tubeless tires because it's definitely going to leak. So the best option is to either change the rims completely or put tube tires. So we set out in search of a new set of rims from an MGP outlet, and we finally found that the rims are not readily available. So then we had to go to a warehouse of an MGP outlet and finally found four rims neatly stored, and one of my good friends guided me in the right wheel. The profile size was 4J, so we got those, and we opted for the 13-inch MRF ZVTS tires, and they did the wheel balancing alignment and we installed them, but I did not have the center caps at that time. So, armed with new rims and tires, and after a service at a local Bosch garage, we were planning to set out for our journey from Madurai to Chennai. We also got a fast tag from ICICI, and I stuck the fast tag using a cellophane tape, so it's easy to remove it later if required. Madurai Chennai is approximately 460 kilometers end to end. A beautiful set of 4 and 6 lane roads. This is basically a part of the Trichy Chennai highway, and we were reminiscing upon our old journeys that we undertook in this car. So we stopped besides the road and clicked a few photographs here and there, and it was really good. And for lunch, we braked at a place called Manoj Bhavan. It's a series of good restaurants with very fancy architecture, as you can see. And it's similar to A to B, vegetarian restaurant. So we had some meals, curd rice, and noodles. And I'm not a big fan of the typical veg meals, so I had noodles and gobi 65, and the food was really nice, although a little expensive, but really good. So as you can see here, these lug nuts are completely gone, in the sense the head has gone out, and they're quite old and weathered. So you can see that it is really broken here, the head. So we've got the replacement, 16 of them, not very expensive, being typical Maruti replacement parts being sold in bulk. So we have installed them, and they look really nice, chrome with a shine. Next, we'll install the center caps of these rims, and just wanted to tell you that the center caps of the Maruti 800 rim will not fit the Zen. It is not a perfect fit, and it will invariably come off. So a good friend helped me source these original ones for the Zen. So this is that kit which comes with four center caps. Let's replace the center caps for all the wheels. What a lovely set of rims with boomerang punched holes. The ones that followed later did not have these and had the normal holes there. So that wraps up this activity. Now let's look at all the parts there. I sourced this rim from a local MGP outlet. This is a center cap which is available as a set of four. And this is the lug nut, about 16 of them per car. And this is the exploded parts diagram. Thank you so much, guys.